Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalpal Girls Inter College Lucknow. Children, I am your Shalini ma'am. Today we will read a very interesting story about the garbage, Mr. Garbage and polythene. And let us see what is in the story. Mr. Garbage and Mrs. Polythene. Now a girl is talking to a heap of garbage. Children, heap is a pile. Girl, who are you? You smell so bad. I may fall sick. Now the girl is saying, you smell so bad. Who are you? Garbage, कूड़ा. ये कूड़े के ढेर को बोल रही है गर्ल. Who are you? You smell so bad. Mr. Garbage, I am Mr. Garbage. I am found everywhere. Now the garbage is saying, I am Mr. Garbage. I am found everywhere. Girl, you look so ugly. What are you made of? Now the girl is asking, what are you made of? किस चीज़ के बने हो तुम? Mr. Garbage, I am made of vegetable peels, old and torn clothes, shoes, utensils, papers and anything useless that you throw away. Now the garbage is saying, vegetable peels, vegetables के जो छिलके होते हैं सब्जी के, and utensils, बर्तन, खराब बर्तन, papers. I am made of all these things that you throw away. Girl, where do you live, Mr. Garbage? Mr. Garbage, dustbin is my home. Garbage कहाँ रहता है? Dustbin में. So the garbage is saying, I live in the dustbin at home. You can also put me in a pit and cover it. Pit होता है गड्ढा, जिसको गड्ढा बोलते हैं. You can also put in a pit and cover it. Then why are you here, Mr. Garbage? I am here because people throw me anywhere they like. If they put me in a pit and cover it, I may become useful for them. Now the garbage is saying, I am here because all the people throw me anywhere. If they throw me in a pit, अगर मुझे गड्ढे में डालेंगे तो मैं useful हो जाऊंगा. I will become useful. Girl, how is that possible? Now the girl is saying, how a garbage can be useful? Mr. Garbage, there I mix with soil and turn into manure to grow rich crops for you. जब गड्ढे में कूड़ा डलता है, then it mixes with the soil. वो मिट्टी से मिक्स हो जाता है और खाद बन जाती है. मैन्योर इज खाद. और रिच क्रॉप्स उसमें ग्रो कर सकते हैं. गर्ल, दैट्स गुड, बट हु इज दैट? शी इज मिसेस पॉलीथिन. नाउ द गर्ल इज सेइंग, हु इज दिस वन? द गार्बेज इज सेइंग, दिस इज मिसेस पॉलीथिन. ये पॉलीथिन है, मिसेस पॉलीथिन. शी लुक्स सो प्रिटी. नाउ द गर्ल इज सेइंग, पॉलीथिन होते हैं बच्चों. इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी. Mrs. Polythene, she looks so pretty. Mr. Garbage, dear child, no doubt she is very pretty and useful. But do you know animals die if they swallow it? She is the most dangerous enemy of man. Now the garbage is saying to the girl, the polythene is very pretty. जो polythene के bags होते हैं वो बहुत pretty looking होते हैं, but it is also very dangerous. Animals अगर इनको खा लेते हैं तो they die. Polythene अगर कोई खा जाता है animal, so they die that time. Girl, in what way? Mr. Garbage is saying, because she is made of plastic. As I told you, I can mix with soil, but plastic never mixes with soil. It remains in the soil for a long time. Now Mr. Garbage is saying, I am useful because I mix with the soil, but plastic, it doesn't mix with the soil. It remains like that for a long time. And whosoever animal eats it, it will die. Girl, for how long? Mr. Garbage, almost forever. Girl is saying, how long the plastic doesn't mixes with the soil? Now the Mr. Garbage is saying, almost forever. It is like that only. The polythene remains like that. Girl, but Mr. Garbage, plastic is everywhere. We use so many things made of plastic, like toys, containers, computers, clothes, bags, etc. Now the girl is saying, so many things are made up of plastic, like these things, toys, containers, computers, etc. Mr. Garbage, you are right. People use it because plastic can be molded into any shape. Now Mr. Garbage is saying, plastic can form many shapes. Many shapes can be made by the plastic. And it does not break easily. Plastic does not break. टूटता नहीं है plastic easily. But remember, it is not good for the environment. वातावरण एनवायरमेंट के लिए प्लास्टिक इज नॉट गुड, Girl, okay, I will remember this and also ask my family and neighbors to stop using plastic. Now the girl is saying, I will remember this. मैं इस बात को याद रखूंगी. मैं अपनी फैमिली और नेबर्स, पड़ोसी सबको बताऊंगी to stop using the plastic. Mr. Garbage, good. Then our earth will be a clean and healthy place to live in. Now Mr. Garbage is saying, very good. Then our earth, हमारी धरती will be a clean place, बहुत साफ सुथरी जगह, और healthy, स्वस्थ place to जगह to live in. हम लोग जिस जगह पे रहते हैं वो एक बहुत clean और healthy place it will become. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter and do write the difficult words which are underlined in the chapter in your English literature copies. Have a good day, children.